how to see spot P and L in Bybit. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to see profit and loss in Bybit spot. First up, after you open up the Bybit app like this, so now you go to trade section. After you go to the trade section, if you want to see the profit and loss, so the next thing to do, just tap on this option, assets. So under the assets, now you tap on this unified trading. So under this unified trading, so if you have any profit and loss, they will appear in this option now. As you can see, it says today P and L. So if you want to see all the list, just tap on the option, tap on this one. So by tapping on this option, so here it says as you can see now assets. So you tap on this spot. So from this option now, it will give you all your profit and loss for the long period of time. As you can see, it will appear in this option like this one. And if you scroll to down, you'll be able to see different, as you can see now, different details about your trading and about the coin that you are holding. And if you want, you can just custom the time. Let's say if you look at this option now, it's set to 7 days. If you want, you can change it to 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, and 180 days. And if you want, you can just specify a day by tapping on this custom time. So from there, it will give you the profit and loss in this option. So that's it, guys, on how to see spot P and L in Bybit. If this video helps, like and subscribe.